Well, happy Monday, all you fabulous freight masters out there. I hope everybody's working and making that money, right? But today I want to talk to you guys. It seems like I talk so much about freight brokering. Um, what I want to do is just talk a little bit more about the other side of the table with trucking businesses. So, as the title of this video states, is your trucking business a high insurance risk? That being said, controlling safety scores can help manage risk. All right. Every time a driver moves a truck, there's some level of risk that an accident, injury, or damage will occur, right? Even when a truck is sitting idle, theft, fire, storms can impact your vehicle, costing your business losses not only for repairs, but potentially missed productivity. These risks exist to some extent, no matter how safe an organization is or what precautions it takes. Okay. When the unexpected happens, carriers and drivers need a fallback to protect their investments. And for this, trucking insurance obviously is necessary, right? Um, when it comes to truck insurance, companies may conclude that one company or driver's risk is greater than others for a number of factors. This can be for reasons that are more inherent in the nature of the business or other reasons that a company can actively work on improving. Okay. Ultimately, less risk means better premium payments. So, what makes your trucking business a higher risk? Insurers take a number of factors into consideration when determining risk. One of those is the type of characteristics of freight being hauled, like hazardous materials, oversized, or even high value loads, right? A company could also be considered a higher risk if it's a new venture without a proven safety record or a driver that is less experienced. The scarcity of drivers in the industry right now makes it very tough to find experienced drivers. Okay. But many insurance companies stress the importance of having drivers with at least 2 years of experience. They understand pre and post trip inspections, the rules of the road, and have a better feel of the truck. Okay. Um, so, safety is one of the most significant factors that insurance assures, excuse me, it's too early. I haven't had enough coffee yet this morning, guys. Sometimes I have way too much, and sometimes I just don't have enough, right? Um, but yeah, safety is one of the most important or significant factors that insurers base rates on. For example, some of the background underwriters look at poor compliance, safety, accountability, right? Your CSA scores. High out of service percentages, conditional safety ratings, high loss frequency, large shock losses. All right. To underwriters, those past actions imply the potential for repeat occurrences in the future and a higher possibility of a claim later on. So, what do you do about this? How do you lower your risk? One controllable way to lower your risk is by improving your safety compliance. Uh, your behavior analysis and safety improvement categories are the most significant data components used in the safety measurement system that factor into a CSA score. Data is pulled from past roadside inspections and crash reports, which affect basic percentiles compared to other carriers. So the basics encompasses the following: unsafe driving, crash indicator, hours of service compliance, vehicle maintenance, controlled substance and alcohol, hazardous materials compliance, and driver fitness, right? So safety scores need to be monitored daily and weekly. They can change halfway through the year. Once you begin to have more and more inspections, your safety scores are going to improve. You'll see your insurance scores get better and pricing go down, which is big when you want to save money, especially with the current market that we're in and the market that we've been in, right? Like everybody's saying, oh, well, insurance costs are up, fuel's up, everything's up except for rates. Well, you know, if we just are a little bit more proactive about, like our safety scores and everything, then we can help mediate some of that, high costs that drivers are facing right now. So these are all things that you want to consider, when trying to reduce costs. I mean, even if the market was phenomenal right now, right? Looking back, a couple of years, and rates were way up and everything, why would you still want to pay that high insurance premium, right? It shouldn't matter whether you're making a buttload of money, because the market's good. This is something that everybody needs to be proactive on, and to help keep those costs down, right? Along with having a good fuel card, all these things can help. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, or somebody's going to go kick a puppy. Ninjas will slip in the middle of the night and do it. I've heard about it happening. Okay. So anywho, I hope you guys found this tip helpful, and let me know how you liked it. All right. Till next time. Bye-bye now.